everyone. So this is Subash from the retail research team of HDFC Securities. So I'll be giving a midweek outlook on the market based on a technical perspective. So as you can see on the charts, the Nifty is now in a strong short-term uptrend. On the daily chart, we can see that Nifty has bounced back from the 200-day EMA towards the end of October, and it has been consistently rising and making higher tops and higher bottoms. It has also crossed the previous swing high of 19,234, thereby confirming the reversal of the recent downtrend. And today it has closed above the 50-day SMA. On the weekly chart also, we have closed above the 20-week SMA, which is again a positive signal. And the 14-day RSI is now at 58.94, which means that it is not overbought and there is scope for more upsides in the coming days. So the immediate target for the Nifty is now at the previous intermediate highs, which is 19,850. And once that is crossed, we could be headed towards the lifetime highs. Crucial support is now at the recent low of 19,414. So as long as that is not broken, the uptrend is likely to continue. Coming to the sectors, most of the sectors are showing strength. If we look at the bank Nifty, it has been consistently rising after making a low of 42,105, and the same thing goes for the Fin Nifty. That has also been consistently rising. Auto, infra, metal have recently bounced back from their 20-week SMA and are now in strong uptrend. If you see the auto index, it has recently bounced back from the 20-week SMA, and now it's on the verge of taking out its lifetime highs. And similarly, the infra index and metal index have also recently bounced back from the 20-week SMA. IT index also has given a breakout today, which means that it could start outperforming. As you can see on the daily chart, today it rose by 2.64%, and in the process also took out its previous swing highs. PSU banks is another sector to watch. It has recently broken out of a range and it's holding above the crucial moving averages. RSI also is not overbought, suggesting scope for more upsides in the coming days. FMCG is building up momentum and energy has also broken out of a range. And coming to the broad market indices like mid cap and small cap, the small cap index has now been rising for 3 consecutive weeks. It is now in lifetime high territory. And looking at the momentum indicators, it is not extremely overbought, suggesting there is scope for more upsides in the coming weeks. Similarly, the mid cap index is also in a strong uptrend. It has recently bounced back from the 20-week SMA, and momentum indicators like 14-week RSI are still climbing and they are not overbought. So overall, we expect the uptrend to continue, and as long as there's no reversal and close below the recent lows of 19,414, we can expect the uptrend to continue. So our strategy is to buy stocks from sectors that are outperforming and are showing relative strength. That would be our strategy for the coming days. Now that's all from my side. Now, if you have any queries, you can please post your queries.
Subhash, you are able to see the questions?
No, I'm not able to see it. I have to click on questions.
Yeah, just click on that. If you want, I can just tell you the questions here. So,
Yeah, you can tell me.
so I'm just waiting for the questions. I'm just checking out here. So, dear customer, we are open up for the question and answer. If you have any questions, you can just ask in the chat box or the question box, then we can answer on that.
Okay, there's a question on which sector to invest in SIP. So you could invest in the PSU banks and even IT sector. These two sectors are showing strength currently. So these two sectors one can invest in. Yeah, the fortnightly market update happens on Saturdays. If you didn't get it, we will have to check. Just send us an email and then we will check if your email ID is there in our list. I think we can. Okay, there's a question on the view on Man Infra and Purvankara. So Man Infra, it has again bounced back from the support. So we could see a rise in the coming days. It could rise up to 160 to 170 levels. And the crucial support to watch is at 137. And coming to Purvankara, Purvankara is in a strong uptrend. So you could hold your positions with a trailing stop at 142 for upside targets of 180. Nifty Pharma is right now in consolidation mode. Just I'll open the chart. Yeah, so as you can see in the chart, it has been consolidating for the last 5 sessions. So, but it's likely to break out on the upside, because if you look at the weekly chart, it has recently bounced from the 20-week SMA, and the momentum readings are also not overbought. So more chances of a breakout on the upside. Yeah, you could send us an email from that ID, and then we will look at your queries.
So Subhash sir, Mr. Balakrishna Mani is asking, how about power grid and power finance? So any view on that?
Yeah, I'll just check it out. Yeah, power grid is still in a long-term uptrend. So if he's an investor, he should continue holding with a trailing stop loss at 200. In the short term, we could see some correction. It is looking a bit weak for the short term, but long-term trend, it is still up. And which is the other stock you said?
Power finance, sir.
Power
Grid
finance.
and
Okay.
power.
Yeah, power finance is also in a long-term uptrend. Keep a trailing stop loss because the uptrend seems to be matured now. So keep a trailing stop at 285. I think we can close the conference because there are no further questions.
Yes, sir.
We can close the webinar.
So you can, sir, just conclude this call and then we can end it up.
Yeah, thank you everyone, and we'll see you again next week. Bye.